Hello. From the tropical island that was level 2 Charleston.
Uptown Swing.
So hot. You guys, it was so hot. It was flames on the side of my face. I'm Maddie.
I'm Bryce.
And we did the rolling skip up today.
Woo! Ha, 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 woo! Ha,
right into the camera.
Right in there.
Yep. We shined up our regular skip up, and we talked about how this one we need to move forward the whole time. Keep on kicking, and we talked a lot about this
Stretch
connection.
and together.
Yes. You guys did great. Then we dove into the land of 20s Charleston. If you've never learned the twisties or the hitches on your Charleston, remember that you can always start just by doing both feet, making sure that you pulse down every beat, having your heels flare out, and then just practice going side to side, kicking your partner. That's a good thing to practice at home, so eventually you can work up to touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. And then we got into it, we did it, and we got out of it. Starting from 30s.
Hey!
Rock, step, kick, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step.
Then we added this turn. Ha, ha, hey, ba.
And then we got out of it.
Oh. Catch. Ha, do. Da, da, da.
That was it.
That's all we did.